So previously we had studied the chapter. Now we will do the short answer type question. F number 1, define sericulture. Define sericulture. It is there in keywords. You can write from keywords here, sericulture. Then number 2, why are sheep saved in summer? So page number 34 we will go. Sheep are saved in summer because, page number 34 we will go, because in summer the temperature is high and the sheep can live without the fur. F number 2, from here, in summer the temperature is high and the sheep can live without the fur. This is F number 2. F number 3, why is shearing not painful for sheep? That also we will go, page number 34. Here also you can write shearing is not painful for sheep because, here also you can add a because, then because shearing is done with the help of mechanical razors and it is just like a haircut for the sheep. This is F number 3. F number 4, how does silkworm produce silk? Page number 31. F number 4, silk is made by silkworms in the form of a cocoon they spin around themselves. Silk is made by silkworms in the form of a cocoon they spin around themselves. This is short answer type question. That is why you can write in 1 or 2 sentences. If you want, you can write more long. F number 5, what is meant by sorting in wool production? Page number 34. Page number 34, sorting. After washing and drying, wool fibers are separated into different categories based on texture. This is called sorting. F number 5. So next is G number, define in one sentence. Number 1, selective breeding. Selective breeding, page number 33. So this is G number 1. Special breeds of sheep are chosen to produce offspring which have very fine hair. This is called selective breeding. G number 1. Special breeds of sheep are chosen to produce offsprings which have very fine hair, and this is called selective breeding. Number 2, shearing. It is in the keywords. Shearing, saving the sheep to get fleece. Number 3, cocoon, a silky case spun by the larva of many insects for protection as pupa. Cocoon is a silky case spun by larva of many insects for protection as pupa. Next is answer the following in detail. Long question. Explain the life cycle of a silk moth with the help of a diagram. We will go page number 31 and 32. From here we will start. A silk moth lays about 200 to 300 eggs and dies. The eggs are kept for a gestation period for about 3 weeks. After that the worms hatch out. Each silkworm secretes liquid silk from an opening under its mouth. Within 2 to 3 days they form a full cocoon around themselves. They are now called pupa. After 2 weeks, the pupa emerges from the cocoon as an adult moth. Along with this, you have to do the diagram that is here. 4 stages: egg, larva, cocoon and adult moth. Describe any 3 types of sheep and wool obtained from them. Page number 35. Here the name of the breeds of sheep is given and the quality of wool is given. Any 3 you can write, not only all these 3, any 3 out of the 6 you can write. Number 3, briefly explain the steps in wool production. Page number 34 and 35. So all these steps you have to write: rearing and breeding, shearing, scoring, then sorting, then removing of burr, dyeing, making yarn. So all these steps you have to write. You can make them short, no need of writing this or everything. Just write few 1 or 2 points of every steps: rearing and breeding, shearing, scoring, sorting, removing of burr, then dyeing and making yarn. From every steps you make it short and write at least 2 points. All these hot question and short questions are given in PDF. You can see from there and write, complete your notes.